Our next category, college university student production. And the Emmy goes to Of Another Time, Taylor University.
Almost 40 years after the American Revolution, a young nation found its...
This is an unbelievable honor for Taylor University. I regret that our students aren't present to receive these awards, but on behalf of Chase, Eric, and Nicole, and the people of Marion who allowed us to shoot the Mississinawa 1812 reenactment and get behind the scenes and understand the lives and culture of living history reenactors. We're incredibly gratified by this honor. Thank you, Natus.